Hi there. This is a video to show you how you can very quickly add a diagnosis to the problem list. You may already know this, in which case I would say kudos to you. I have found that I struggle because I will diagnose a child with something, say anxiety disorder, ADHD, asthma, and I then don't remember to go back and add it to the problem list. So here's something that might help. So here is Lieutenant Uhura, and I am diagnosing her with asthma. So we're going to put that diagnosis in, pick the template. I would fill in my exam appropriately, and then I'm going to come down here, and I've got this diagnosis, cough variant asthma. So then you come over here, and there's this nice little box, add problem list. So I'll do this, and it says, do you want to add this to the problem list? And I say yes, plus details. So if I add it plus details, I can come down here and do maybe I'm going to put cough equivalent asthma. That's probably all I would put. I mean, I might put, prednisone required 9/2017. Maybe I'd put something like that just so we can kind of track it and know. And then I hit save. And then that way, you go back to your problem list and it's there. What is nice about this is it is not very natural when you're here, you're counseling the patient, you're doing your asthma for them, all that stuff, to remember to go back up here to add a problem list point, but you can do it here. Now, there is one other way to add something to the problem list. So let's say I'm going to, okay, fine, we'll add a diagnosis. Let's say I want to add asthma. Let's say I'm adding this. Okay, all right. Then you could come over here and click this, and let's say you just say yes. That's all it does. So you go over to the problem list, and it did add it. You can see it right here. However, what you really want to choose is the option of add plus detail, yes plus detail, because that's what gives you the opportunity to fill in this box. And if you remember, this box is very important because if you don't fill in this box, when you want to attach scans to the problem list, or even when you're just looking at the overview of the patient, you will find that it is not as easy to read. So here you can see these are all kind of nice and easy to read because they've been added by us in that box. This one, it's not that it's hard to read, but it's mild intermittent asthma. It's kind of lengthy, whereas we would probably just write mild intermittent asthma. So anyway, that is a quick way to try to make sure you keep your problem list up to date. Thanks. Bye-bye.